Hi there! Today we're checking out the lockbox with folding handle, a small but sturdy metal toolbox. This multifunctional lockbox is perfect for keeping cash, jewelry, tools, and other valuables safe and secure. Its folding handle makes it easy to carry and adapt to different situations. Made from high-quality metal, this box offers excellent durability and protection against damage and theft. Inside, soft padding ensures your items stay scratch-free and well-protected. Plus, the reliable lock head provides extra security to keep your valuables private. Whether you need a secure storage solution at home or on the go, this lockbox has you covered. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.